touch by Arango. Gomez makes the run. Gomez keeps his feet. One-on-one with Lloris, and he's beaten him. No save this time from the Frenchman, and a massive goal for the Colombian winger, and a massive goal for Real Salt Lake. This is a shot. It goes over Campos. Luna. First touch back. It goes in. Oh, it's two. It is officially the Andres Gomez game. Here's Gomez. Luna, they might have something brewing here. Found a lot of success on the right side. Chicho Arango in the 50th minute gets professional goal.